Hi everyone, welcome back to Better with Brigita. Today I'm making tomato basil soup, and the ingredients you're going to need are kosher salt, garlic, onion, vegetable broth, olive oil, pepper, crushed tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, thyme, and fresh basil, and Better Than Bouillon vegetable-based seasoning. The oven is preheating to 450. And our first step is going to be taking our tomatoes and cutting them in half and putting them in our bowl. Now you have a choice of tomatoes. You could use Roma or any other kind for your soup. Whatever you like best, that's what you should use. Olive oil. Now the amount of salt and pepper, I do have the amounts in the description box, but it's really up to you, however you want it. Adjust it to your likes. And again, you'll check it after the soup is on the stove. You might find out you need more salt or pepper. Mark likes more salt. I like more, the other way around. Mark likes more pepper and I like more salt. All right, stir the tomatoes around to get them evenly coated. Then we're going to put them on our baking sheet. We have 1 onion and we have 3 garlic cloves. We're gonna chop our onion, we're gonna mince our garlic cloves. Now if you were doing the full recipe, you'd have 2 onions and 6 garlic cloves, but it's just for Mark and I, so we're doing just half that. Step is we're going to put almost everything in our blender. Do it very carefully so I don't make a big mess. Next thing, basil. I'm putting the whole thing in. And then tomatoes. See? Oh my gosh, that's really good. We haven't even put the seasonings in yet. We're gonna bring our big pot to the stove. Put our soup in. Okay. Pour our soup mixture in. Nice. Now we're going to add our remaining ingredients. We have vegetable broth. Now again, you can adjust these amounts to however you like it, so that'll thin it out a little bit. Our crushed tomatoes. What it's called.
Is it fennel?
No.
Thyme?
Thyme. Here's our thyme sprigs. We're going to take those out at the end, so they're in here helping with flavor. Now we're going to add our better than Bouillon vegetable seasoning base. It's very salty, so be careful of the amount you add. Tomato basil soup. Delicious and healthy and great on a cold winter's night.
Yum. Smells good.
And with it we have cheddar bay biscuits. Not as healthy, but still good on a cold winter's night. Oh, that's really good. Like that.
Warm and soothing. Definitely better with Brigita.
Yeah, it's very good. Hope you try it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we're going to see you again real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.